Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a macroeconomics exam. First, thoroughly review your course syllabus to identify all key topics and learning objectives. Understand the exam structure, including question types like multiple choice or essays, and the total time allotted. This initial step helps you prioritize your study efforts, focusing on areas that carry more weight or are frequently assessed. Next, dedicate time to mastering core macroeconomic concepts and theories. Don't just memorize, strive for deep understanding of models like aggregate demand aggregate supply. Practice applying these theories to various economic situations. Creating flashcards for key definitions, formulas, and graphical representations can significantly aid your recall and comprehension, making complex ideas more accessible. Third, actively engage in problem solving and application. Work through numerous practice problems from your textbook, study guides, and any available past exams. Focus on solving numerical questions and accurately interpreting various economic graphs. After completing problems, thoroughly review your answers, understanding where you made errors. This hands-on practice is crucial for solidifying your knowledge. Finally, conduct a comprehensive review of all material several days before the exam. Develop a clear time management strategy for the exam day, perhaps allocating 1 minute per multiple-choice question. Ensure you get adequate rest and maintain good nutrition in the days leading up to the test. A well-rested mind performs significantly better, helping you recall information and think clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.